The importance of your child's birth month. Remember that children have their whole life ahead of them with very little baggage to start out with. It may be difficult to believe, but recently many scientists and statisticians have found that birth months affect everything from chosen career to attitude. January baby. Pretty or handsome, loves to dress up, easily bored, fussy, seldom shows emotions, takes time to recover when hurt, sensitive, down to earth, stubborn, ambitious, practical and hardworking. February baby. Abstract thoughts, loves reality and abstract, intelligent and clever, changing personality, attractive, prettiest out of everyone, temperamental, quiet, shy and humble, honest and loyal, determined to reach goals, loves freedom. March baby. Attractive personality, charming, affectionate, shy and reserved, secretive, naturally honest, generous and sympathetic, loves peace and serenity, sensitive to others, easily angered, trustworthy, appreciative and returns kindness. April baby. Suave and compromising, funny and humorous, stubborn, very talkative, calm and cool, kind and sympathetic, concerned and detailed, loyal, does work well with others, very confident, sensitive, positive attitude, thinking generous. May baby. Stubborn and hard-hearted, strong-willed and highly motivated, sharp thoughts, easily angered, attracts others and loves attention, deep feelings, beautiful physically and mentally, firm standpoint, needs no motivation, shy towards opposite sex, easily consoled. June baby. You've got the best personality and are an absolute pleasure to be around. You love to make new friends and be outgoing. You are a great flirt and more than likely have a very attractive partner. It is also more than likely that you have a massive record collection. July baby. Fun to be with, secretive, difficult to fathom and to be understood. Quiet unless excited or tensed, takes pride in oneself, has reputation, easily consoled, honest, concerned about people's feelings. August baby. Outgoing personality, takes risks, feeds on attention, no self-control, kind-hearted, self-confident, loud and boisterous, very revengeful, easy to get along with and talk to, has an everything speechy attitude, likes talking and singing, loves music, daydreamer, easily distracted, hates not being trusted, big imagination, loves to be loved, hates studying, in need of that someone, longs for freedom. September baby. Active and dynamic, decisive and haste, but tends to regret, attractive and affectionate to oneself, strong mentality, loves attention, diplomatic, consoling, friendly and solves people's problems, brave and fearless, adventurous, loving and caring, suave and generous. Usually you have many friends. October baby. Loves to chat, loves those who love them, loves to take things at the center, inner and physical beauty, lies but doesn't pretend, gets angry often, treats friends importantly, brave and fearless, always making friends, easily hurt but recovers easily. November baby. Trustworthy and loyal, very passionate and dangerous, wild at times, knows how to have fun, charming and mysterious. Everyone is drawn towards your inner and outer beauty and independent personality, playful but secretive. December baby, loyal and generous, patriotic, competitive in everything, active in games and interactions, impatient and hasty, ambitious, influential in organizations, fun to be with, easy to talk to, though hard to understand, thinks far with vision yet complicated to know. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.